everyone, my name is Samahani.
Welcome to the Mechanics Lab of STEM Obour. Have you ever thought about an experiment that shows constant acceleration? And what about velocity in constant acceleration?
Of course, in constant acceleration, the car's velocity will be changing in a regular way.
So we can use a kinematic equations. Today we are going to make an experiment by using this car to show that this car moves with a constant acceleration.
Firstly, in any experiment, we have to check the safety rules. Number one, we have this rubber band here around those brackets, so the car doesn't hit the motion sensor. Number two, make sure that you stay away from the moving object. Number three, you have to make sure that the car moves in its own correct track.
And what are the tools we are going to use in this experiment?
In this experiment, we're using this Pascal car moving on the dynamic motion track, and here we have this end stopper. Here we have a motion sensor based on the dynamic motion track, which is hanging on this stand. Make sure that the sensor is connected with the interface, which is connected to the laptop, and on the laptop we have the Pascal capstone application. Make sure that the car's flat face faces the sensor, and here the car will move with the launcher force set on the second or the third position.
And now we are going to make this experiment by making 6 trials with the car going up ramp and another 6 trials with the car going down ramp.
Now with Pascal capstone application. Firstly, you will have to press this hardware setup button to check the conductivity of the sensor with the laptop. In this experiment, we will need a display of 3 icons, so we will choose this one. In this experiment, we're going to choose a table and a graph and a video analysis. We will choose the third one. Now with the selection of measurements. In the table, we will select velocity, time, and in the graph, we will select the velocity, and the time will be selected automatically. Now let's go see the experiment.
Now we are going to start our first try by pressing this button to make this car move up ramps. The second trial, and now with the third trial. Fourth trial, and the fifth trial, and now with the 6th trial and the last one of the car going up ramp. Now we are going to make another 6 trials with the car going down ramp. The motion sensor take a correct reading from a range 20 to 80 centimeters away from it, so we will place our car in a range of 20 centimeters away from the motion sensor. Now we will start our first trial. And now with our second trial. And now with the third trial. With the fourth trial. And now with the 5th trial. And now with our last one, the 6th trial.
Now let's go do some theoretical analysis.
Now we will talk about some theoretical analysis when the car was going up ramp. In our 6 trials, we have this 6 data that explain the car going up ramp acceleration. To calculate the error that happened between the 1.07 and 1.08, we made this equation and found that there are an error with only 1%, and it's a small error percentage. And to calculate the average of the acceleration, we got the summation of this data over their number, and here we find that average is 0.996 meter per second square.
Now let's discuss some theoretical data with the car going down ramp. We got those values, and to calculate the error between those two values, we got that the error percentage equals 0.2%. And to calculate the average of the acceleration of those values, we will add the values that we got divided by their number, and we will get that the acceleration is equal to 0.912 meter per second squared.
And now, by the end of the experiment, we hope that this video has helped you in your study.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Bye!
Bye!